Welcome back to another YouTube video. We at our fish right now. So you know what I'm saying, this is a healthy snack. So let's go do those fetal chips. Oh. Amazing eats, bro. Oh my gosh, these are amazing eats. If you guys ever want a healthy snack, get you the toasted coconut chips, bro. Imagine if you want a Hawaiian island, bro. Hearing the beach waves just flow through you, and you just have some coconut there, right there. Some coconut chips. Doctor around me. Talk to them real quick.
We picking up an IBA right now. You know how we rocking.
You know how we rocking. Let's go. Come on. Picking up an IBA right now. Let's go. Let's do this. Stay great. Stay blessed. And you guys are all abundant. We are all abundant. Let's do it.